equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. Start by powering off your Lenovo IdeaPad 81BG and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any damage to the device. Next, carefully remove the back cover. Use the Phillips screwdriver to unscrew the screws located at the back of the laptop. There are typically around 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the clips holding the cover in place. With the back cover off, you'll want to locate the LCD assembly. This is where the LCD cover is attached. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using the microfiber cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your device. Now, you'll need to detach the old LCD cover. Look for the screws that secure the LCD to the frame. These are usually located around the edges of the screen. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver. If you find this process challenging, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the LCD cover away from the screen. Be careful with the cables connected to the LCD. You don't want to damage them. If you're unsure about handling these components, consider our pickup and delivery at your home service, which makes repairs hassle-free. After removing the old cover, take your new LCD cover and align it with the LCD assembly. Ensure that all the clips are properly seated. Once aligned, secure the new cover by replacing the screws you previously removed. Make sure they are tightened adequately, but avoid over-tightening as this can cause damage. Now, it's time to reattach the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws you removed earlier to ensure the back cover is securely fastened. If you're feeling overwhelmed at any point, remember, no calls, no travel. We can assist you with our services. Finally, power on your Lenovo IdeaPad 81BG to check if everything is functioning correctly. If the screen displays properly and there are no issues, congratulations. You've successfully replaced the LCD cover. If you encounter any problems, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. This way, you'll know exactly what to expect before proceeding with any further repairs. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.